Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I have the Proline ProSpec scalar shocks in for my Vaterra K5 Chevy. If you followed the build series, you saw that I put the axial icon shocks on. They were actually way too short, so I kind of have a lower stance on the truck, which is kind of cool, but there's no articulation in the suspension. These are 105 to 110 millimeters. They do come with the longer pieces for the bottom. Inside of the shocks, I'm going to use 30 weight oil. It's pretty much what I always use. Also new to this channel, I got a GoPro, so looking forward to getting some different types of videos with this. Pretty excited about it. But this isn't a GoPro video. Let's get back to RC. So putting these on, real simple. First I'm going to fill them up, and we get the install going. And I'll just do the same exact thing for the other one.